4 देखते हैं, यूनिट 3 तक हो गया जो है जावा एपीआई, ठीक है। डेट एंड टाइम, क्लास, इंप्लीमेंट, सेट इंटरफेस, इंटरफेस एक्सटेंड, मैप, हैश मैप, लिस्ट, वेक्टर, स्टैक, ये सब है कुछ कुछ। देख लेते हैं क्या बोल रहा है जावा एपीआई। जावा एपीआई एप्लीकेशन प्रोग्रामिंग इंटरफेसेस इज अ कलेक्शन ऑफ प्री रिटन packages, classes and interfaces provided by Java that you directly use in your program to perform common tasks like handling dates, time, collection, etc. It helps you reuse existing code instead of writing everything from scratch. Application in Java is a collection of pre-written packages, class and interface. Imagine you need to sort a list of numbers. Instead of writing your own sorting list, you can use Java built-in method collection.sort. This works because of Java collection API, part of the Java API. Java API comes as a part of JDK. It includes ready-made tools like date and times, java.time, java.collection, java.utils package. Using API reduce date and time. Introduced in Java 8 under the java.time package, provides modern simple class to work with date and time. Local time, local date and time, zone, date and time. Collection API used for storing and managing group of objects efficiently. It is defined inside the java.util package. Hierarchy overview. Iterable interface. The root reference is for a collection. Classes allow looping through elements. Collection interface. Extend iterable has sub interfaces list, set and queue. Sub interfaces and sub interfaces क्या बोल रहा list, array list, linked list, vector stacks, has set ये सारा आ जाएगा. Store order element can have duplicate. Store unique element, no duplicates. Follows FIFO first in last out queues. Map store data in key value pair, not part of collection interface but related to it. Map base interface of key value mapping. Abstract map provides particle implementation of map. Hash map use hash table for fast accesses. Stored map keeps keys in stored order. Tree map implements stored tree. List a self book, the keep of book self order. Set a self where no book have the same title. Map a system that store each book with a number, ID and this. Java API ready-made code library with packages, classes and interfaces. Packages java.time, java.utils, date and time and collection. Root interface iterable collection list and queue. Date and time. The old date and time is a part of java.utils package used before Java 8. It provides a date. यहाँ पर गया date long and message creates a data with current date and time. Commonly used method of date class. Commonly used method date and class boolean after equal boolean before object from symbols e date month d h a m. Java. A set in Java is just like a mathematical set. It is a collection of unique elements, no duplicates. Set interfaces is part of java.util package. It extends the collection interface, so it automatically gets all the method from collection interface. Set does not allow duplicate elements. It unordered element don't have a fixed order. Can contain one null value only. If you try to add duplicate element, use add, it will return false. Sets unique plus unordered collection. No duplicates allow. Implements allows method. Hash set is used to store unique element, no particular order. It's fast because it uses hash table. Each element is stored based on the hash code. Operation like add, remove, search. Creates an empty hashtag creates a hashtag for another, creates a hash map value. Traversal of sets using iterator. Since set does not support indexing, we use iterator to go through element. Link hash set is similar to hash set but maintain order insertion. Difference between hash set and link. Hash may unordered and highly faster hash table maintain insertion order highly slower hash table linked list. Collection of unique element fast unordered link hash set order version of sets to loop through element. Interfaces that extend set interfaces sorted. Sorted set is an interface that extends the set interface and store element in ascending interfaces order automatically. Tree set classes implement the sorted sets interface use a tree structure. Map interface store key value pair. Each key is unique but value can be duplicate. Store data in pair. Key are unique, value may repeat. Word clear कुछ है ये सारा. HashMap class. HashMap is a Java class that implements the map interface. It stores key value pair. It uses a hash table internally, meaning it quickly finds the data. Order of element is not guaranteed. HashMap creates an empty map. List interface. List interface in Java is a part of java.util package extension collection. Think of a list as a shopping list. Vector class. A vector class in Java is a part of java.util package and implement dynamic array that can grow and shrink automatically. Belongs to a Java util package implement list interface dynamic size synchronized lower. Stack class. The stack class in Java is a part of this. It extends vector class and represents last in first out. Extend vector class follows this. That is it.